Hello everyone, I am Charubala, second year ECE. In this video, let us see about social distancing reminder system using Tinkercad. In this pandemic situation, social distancing has become very important. To tackle this situation, the social distancing reminder system can be proved to keep the distance between each other. Components required: Arduino, ultrasonic sensor, piezo buzzer, NeoPixel Ring 12, breadboard. Functions of the components. Arduino. The Arduino Uno is an open source microcontroller board based on the microchip ATmega 328P microcontroller and developed by Arduino CC. The board is equipped with set of digital and analog pins, input and output pins that may be interfaced to various expansion boards. Ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor measures the distance by using ultrasonic waves. The sensor head emits an ultrasonic waves and receives the wave reflected back from the target. Ultrasonic sensor measures the distance to the target by measuring the time between the emission and reception. Piezo buzzer. Piezo buzzer can generate basic beeps and tones. They work by using the piezo crystal. If the crystal pushes against the diaphragm, it can generate a pressure wave which the human ear picks up the sound. Breadboard. The purpose of the breadboard is to make quick electrical connection between the components. Breadboards have small sockets on them, and some groups of sockets are electrically connected to each other. NeoPixel Ring 12. 12 ultra bright smart LED NeoPixels are arranged in a circle with 37 mm outer diameter. The rings are chainable. Connect the output pin of one to the input pin of another. Now we are going to simulate this concept in Tinkercad software. First, we need Arduino. Click and drag it here and ultrasonic sensor. Rotate the ultrasonic sensor to the vertical position. And then we need breadboard. Breadboard mini is enough to implement this concept. And piezo buzzer. Rotate the piezo buzzer. And then we need NeoPixel ring. Here we are taking the NeoPixel ring 12. Let's start connecting the wires. Digital pin 6 of the Arduino is connected to the echo of the ultrasonic sensor. And digital pin 5 is connected to the trigger of the ultrasonic sensor. And digital pin 2 is connected to the positive of the buzzer. Then digital pin 3 is connected to the input of the NeoPixel ring. And power of the ultrasonic sensor is connected to the breadboard. Change the color to red. Here we are considering the power of ultrasonic sensor, NeoPixel ring and the 5 volt of Arduino to the red color. Then 5 volt of the Arduino is connected to the ultrasonic sensor power, change it to red color, and the power of the NeoPixel ring is connected to the ultrasonic sensor power and 5 volt of Arduino, change it to red color, and ground of the ultrasonic sensor is connected to the negative of the piezo buzzer and change this color to the black. Here we are considering the black color to be the ground. Then ground of the Arduino is connected to the negative of the piezo buzzer. Change this color to black, and ground of the NeoPixel ring is connected to the negative of the piezo buzzer. Change this color to black. Here the connections are over. Let's see the coding. The program is written as per the logic and connection of ultrasonic sensor, NeoPixel ring and buzzer of Arduino Uno. Buzzer pin is connected to digital pin 2, echo pin is connected to digital pin 6 and trigger pin is connected to digital pin 5. As soon as the Arduino is powered up, the system starts measuring the distance from 300 cm to 100 cm. In this line of code, the LED glows are counted based upon the mapping between the maximum and the minimum distance. In this line of code, strip dot color 50,0,0. This 50 indicates the brightness level of the particular LED. This function calculates the distance with respect to the ultrasonic sensor distance measurement. Let's click the Start Simulation to simulate this circuit. This object is considered to be the person. The person is moving from safe to critical position, critical distance at 100 cm, indication of the dual RGB glow from green, yellow and red, and the buzzer will give the alert of social distancing. Thank you.